Hello everyone, this is Team Savage. We have been implementing an end-to-end project, namely Movies Recommend System using machine learning. So this is our app. This is our web app for our Movies Recommend System. So this web app have been implemented using Streamlit, which is a Python package, which is a handy way to create a web application. That means it is easy to create an application in Streamlit. So in this web app, we'll be selecting some movies, and it will recommend five top similar movies related to our searches. So basically, if we search Spider-Man, Spider. Then if we search Spider, and if we click on this show recommendation, then it will be showing five similar kind of movies. Then if we search like the Avengers. If we search the Avengers and if we click on show recommendation, we'll be getting five recommended searches. That is Iron Man 3, Avengers Age of Ultron, Captain America, which is one of my favorite movie, Captain America and Iron Man. So these are top five recommendation based on our searches. Again, if we search like any movie like Avatar, which is I think it's a ship movie, Avatar, and if we search story commentaries, then we'll be getting all this Aliens and Prey, Aliens, Falcon Riser. These are all the ship movies, Avatar. Then, lastly, if we choose this Guardians of the Galaxy, which is one of my favorite movies, Guardians, Guardians of the Galaxy. So it will show movies related to the spaces. Like Space Battleship, Lost in Space, Black Phone, Silver Medalist, Ender Game. These are all the space movies. So these have been recommendation for this Guardians of the Galaxy. So basically now we'll be talking about what is the recommended system. Recommended system is nothing but it's a kind of system that recommends you similar kind of content based on your choices. Uh, so what I've told is I've shown this demo. Uh, Again, for example, if we have noticed that whenever we are using YouTube or any streaming application like Netflix, we'll be seeing that if we select any video, or if we click on any video, and after clicking on that, you will be seeing that some of the recommendations or similar kind of recommendation system, our YouTube or Netflix will recommend us. Suppose like we have selected a sports match in YouTube. So it will show sports match related content that it will recommend us this sports match contents. So this is the application of recommend system. Also, in many of the business places like Amazon or like any fashion website where we do shopping, we'll be getting about this recommend system which suggests us or recommend fashion product based on the user choices. Also, in many of the social streaming site, we get this recommend system. So here we have used this content based recommend system, which means it recommends content based on our personal choice. Like we have searched the Guardians of the Galaxy, so we are getting all these five movies related to our search. Uh, Now, what will be the project architecture? So architecture is like I'm showing this in this dashboard, whiteboard. Firstly, like we have been collecting this data set. We have been collecting the data set. Okay. Then what we have done is that after collecting this data set, we have performed some of the pre-processing. We have performed some pre-processing. We perform this pre-processing. After that, we have created a model, and after this, we have created our web application. Application. So this dataset we have been taken from Kaggle. This movies dataset we have got from Kaggle. Our pre-processing, which we have done in the Jupyter notebook, there we have used some um, skill-learn packages like your cosine similarity and that vector. After that, we have been creating this model we have created, and we have named this as PKL. We have converted it to PKL format. And after that, lastly, we have been building this web application, which is this one. So this is our code. We can see here that our data set, this is our data set. Like we can see that movies, avatar is given. All the movies have been given here. This is our models file folder. This is our application. Overall, this is our project, and um, we can also tell that what are the future aspects of this recommended system. So actually, now it is only available for movies. Now it is only available for movies, but in future we can also try to implement this for books or any kind of web series. So actually, this is our app. Actually, we have been implemented for movies. There will be three buttons. Firstly, for this movies. Secondly, for our books, and uh, third for our web series. So we'll suggest these three recommended system in our app. So that's all. Thank you.